What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I am actually here on a creek bed, and to be honest, I've been having a hard time finding some water. Being the serious drought that's been going on in South Texas, we haven't had any really good rain. You know, we've had showers here and there, but nothing that's gonna bring these creeks back to life. I'm gonna start off in the dry creek bed, and hopefully I find some water. Hopefully we'll be able to get on some bass today. It's been tough, but I know that I've been to this place before, and I know that there's a couple of spots that are pretty deep. There's a couple of spots that actually it's fed by springs, so you know that it's not depending on water flow. So hopefully there'll be some bass in there. I don't know. I got to walk kind of far to get down to the water, but let's see if we can't make something happen. See you on the water. I got to tell you, this drought is no joke. It is completely dry in some spots. As you can see right there, this all used to be covered by water. Fished here before a bunch of times. Actually, I've caught some really nice fish. Luckily, there still is water here. I don't know if we're gonna get bit, but we're definitely gonna try. Today, again, same old baits, right? The Senko and the Craw. Have not made it out to Walmart yet. Let's see if I can't get bit. Let's see if we can't make something happen. And hopefully, there's still giants in here. All right, I'm gonna start off with the Senko. Water looks a little bit deeper here. Water usually crystal clear, is a little murky. I think I got a bite. Do I? It might just be a little one. Oh yeah, he's pulling. All right, that's not bad. It's not bad at all. Put you up on this rock. Man. All right, nice little 2-pounder. I was just tossing over there by the rocks, and tore up my Senko though. Not bad. Well, they're definitely sparse. They're not in packs or anything. I don't see a bunch of them swimming around, but that's a nice little chunk there. So as you can see, it's going to be a walk to get down to these pockets. I mean, this creek bed is completely dry. You know, you got little spots here and there, but you know, it's just food for the birds. See, I see a little pocket over there. Maybe there's some bass in it. Maybe there won't be, but we'll find out. I found another pocket, and it is packed with bass. Not really any big ones. Oh man, first cast. Super aggressive. A little chunk. Man, this little puddle's just super tiny. Here's another pocket. See if anybody's home. Ooh, there was a bass right here. He looked real skinny though. Whoa. And he let it go. That was a good bass too. Finally got a bite. Might be a little one.
No, he's not that bad. Not bad at all. Biggest one from today. Oh. And this tiny puddle. I think there's a lot of them in here too. I mean, they have nowhere else to go. But yeah, look at that. About 2.5, maybe 2 pounds. All right. Take it easy. There you go. Tell your friends. I think I got another bite. Can't tell though. Oh yeah, that's a bite. Which way is he going? I don't know if he's big or not. I think he might be little. Oh, he's making a wake. Let's see. Ooh, that's a better one. Man, he's rip and drag. Standing in mud. Ah, he's about the same size. All right. Man, these fish are skinny. Almost lost him there. Let's see if I can wash him off. There he is. About the same size. I don't think it was the same fish though. The other one was a little bit bigger. He was not happy. All right, I'm gonna put you back. There you go. Yeah, they're all here in this little puddle. Got a bite. About a pound. Whoa. Okay, about a pound. Man, this water's super shallow. I don't see any bass, but I'll keep walking, see if oh, there's a bass. There's a bunch of little fish. Let's see if we can get any bites. Oh, there you go. It's a pretty little guy. Man, it sure is beautiful over here. I cannot believe how low this water is. Yeah, I should have brought waders, but knowing that the water is so low, I knew it was going to be easy to walk the bank. This is usually, oh, that's a nice one. It's usually pretty deep. Got another one. Ooh, he's swimming with a bigger one. I don't know if you can see it. Don't go into the rocks. God, that's a bigger one. That's nice. Maybe I can catch him too. Not bad, but let's see if we can do better. Oh, I got a bite right away. Do I have a bite? He's moving slow too. He might be little though. Yeah, it's a little one. Look, he's got one chasing him. There you go. Another dink, another tiny one. But man, he hit it as soon as it hit the water. Got another one. I can't tell if it's a big one or not. Oh, it's just a little one. Man, these little ones are too fast. They're all about the same size. Yep. Another tiny one. That sun's falling fast. I think I saw one pick it up. Do I have? Yeah, see how the line's moving that way? I think it's a small one though. Oh, that's better than the other ones. Alright. He's trying to dive for those rocks. Yeah, that's a little better. Come on. Yeah, that's a little better. Nice little chunk. Not the best one of the day, but all right. Thanks for playing. God, you can just see how clear that water is. Another bite. I don't know if it's a big one though. That feels like a little one. All about the same size. Yeah, it's like one after the other. Still same size. Let's see if we can do better. There he goes. I think I got another bite. Oh, it looks like a better one. Not bad. About the same size. Man, this place here is packed with bass though. Like I said, I see some bigger ones swimming around, but it looks like the smaller ones are just that much faster. What I need to do is go upgrade our baits, right? Because fishing with the same Senkos and Craws, I mean, it's working, but I just feel like I could be doing a lot better, you know, if I had a swim bait, a spinner or something, you know, something that's going to attract more of a bite. Even like a fluke, I'm pretty sure it would generate a pretty good bite. But all I'm doing is casting it out there, and once it sits, I start retrieving it, and that's when they hit it. Another one. Oh, it's just a little one. Felt like a bigger one. Don't hook me. Oh, it's tiny. I got a bite. I think it's a little one though. Biggest one of today. It's not even a bass. And he choked it though. Come on. There you go. Well, that's a first for today. Got another one. Came out in super shallow water. Well, there he goes. I just saw them cruising with another one, and I wasn't even fishing for him. And I pulled it right past him, and he saw it, ignored it, and then he turned around and smashed it. All right, guys, that's gonna do it for this video. Again, the same thing with these little holes. You know, the little holes are where all the bass are trapped, and you know, unfortunately, they're probably just not gonna make it. You know, I don't see any signs of. I think it's supposed to rain this weekend, but you know, I don't think it's gonna be anything substantial. So. It's pretty sad that a lot of these places are drying up. I'll be honest, I'm having a hard time finding water, period. You know, a lot of the creeks that I fish, a lot of places that I go are just drying up. They're just not what they used to be. They're not, they don't produce, you know, either because the water's too heated up or they just don't have, you know, there's just no water at all. So, you know, heading down, you know, spending all that time to go down there and then just for it to be a dry riverbed or dry creek bed, you know, it's pretty frustrating. But like I said, I'm gonna keep on them and keep going to different spots. I'm just gonna keep doing what I'm doing and possibly be hitting up some ponds. Just, you know, maybe some water that's managed, that has some kind of flow, just so we can, you know, maybe some golf courses or something like that, just to, you know, to keep adding to the channel. Appreciate the views, and hopefully next time we'll be able to land some giants. Thank you for watching.